Hello friends, welcome to our channel Daily GK Hub. Here in this channel you will find the GK MCQ questions which are very important for all competitive exams, whether it's national level, state level or various competitive exams. So let's start the video. The first question is, which part of human body does not grow from birth to child, stays in same size? It is very interesting question. The answer is eyeballs, teeth and brain cells. Yes friends, teeth are the only part of the human body that do not grow from birth to death. Teeth are fully developed before birth and continue to emerge until the age of 3. After that, the size of the teeth remains the same throughout the life. Eye lenses are also a part of the human body that do not grow. The size of the eye lenses remain the same from birth to death. As a result, the eye lenses cannot adjust to changes in distance and shape that occur with age, leading to vision problems such as presbyopia. Brain cells. Although the human brain grows in size from birth to adolescence, the number of brain cells does not increase after birth. As a result, the brain cells cannot regenerate and repair themselves. This is why brain damage caused by injury or diseases is often permanent. The next question is, what is the creature that never sleeps? It is also interesting. The answer is ant bullfrogs. Yes friends, sleep is an alteration to the consciousness of animals. This is experienced by checking the responsiveness of animals towards stimuli while awake and sleeping. Many animals sleep for a shorter period to protect themselves. They react differently when external stimuli are applied while sleeping and while awake. But the bullfrog, Lithobates catsbainus, shows the same reaction in both situations. This indicates that bullfrogs do not sleep. Lithobates catsbainus is an animal that cannot sleep. Other animals that cannot sleep are ants, frogs, shark, giraffe, great frigate bird, horse, whale, dolphin, and many more. The next question is, which is the longest insect in the world? The answer is stick insect. Yes friends, the insect species with the longest recorded body is a thick insect called Chance megastick Phobeticus chani from the rainforest of the Malaysian state of Sabah on the island of Borneo. The longest specimen had a body length alone of 355 mm or 14 inch. It measured 566 mm 22.3 inch long with its legs fully stretched out and is housed at the Natural History Museum in London, UK. Its species was scientifically named and described as recently as 2008. The next question is, which animal cries like humans after being injured? It's very interesting question friends. The answer is bear. The next question is, which animal's sweat color is pink in color? It is also a very important and interesting question friends. The answer is hippopotamus. Yes friends, hippopotamus. Hippos secrete a reddish oily fluid sometimes called blood sweat from special glands in their skin, but the fluid is not sweat. Unlike sweat which some mammals including humans secrete onto their skin where it evaporates and therefore cools the body, this fluid functions as a skin moisturizer, water repellent and antibiotic. It appears red when exposed to full sunlight, which led the first European discoverers in Africa to call it blood sweat. The next question is, which creature has no eyes? Very interesting one. The answer is Hydra, earthworm. Hydras are the relatives of jellyfish with tentacles. You must have studied how hydras move using their tentacles. They use their tentacles to sting and hunt other smaller invertebrates in an aquatic environment. They do not have eyes but have capabilities of responding to light. Other creatures with no eyes are Texas blind salamander, star-nosed mole, freshwater hydra, wide-mouthed blind cat, Quays cave wolf spider. The next question is, which animal can digest a iron nail? This question is also very interesting one. The answer is crocodile. Yes friends, crocodile is a really fearsome and dangerous creature which swallows its prey as a whole. Its tongue is attached to the roof of its mouth by a membrane due to which it can't stick out or move its tongue. This makes it incapable of chewing its food. Still, crocodiles are capable of swallowing and digesting steel nails and even pieces of pots, glass and pans because their bodies have highly acidic and strong digestive juices that can dissolve steel nails and other hard materials very easily. The next question is, which animal never dies? Have any guesses? The answer is Turritopsis dorni. In the warm areas of the Mediterranean lives a jellyfish with an extraordinary rare ability. It can rewind its life cycle. The so-called immortal jellyfish or Turritopsis dorni can somehow reprogram the identity of its own cells, returning it to an earlier stage of life. This jellyfish can, as an adult, revert back to the polyp stage. From there, it continues a conventional life cycle, maturing and mating. Instead of dying, the immortal jelly reverts time and again back into its polyp colony. That ability allows the jellyfish to bypass death, rendering it biological immortal. The next question is, which is the oldest game in India? The options are A. Wrestling, B. Cricket, C. Hockey or D. Kabaddi. It's very important question friends. The correct answer is option A. Wrestling. Wrestling is the oldest sports in India. Considered one of the most ancient and oldest sports in the world, wrestling in India has a glorious past. The sport of wrestling began its journey in India several centuries ago, during the Middle Ages. Wrestling is among the most prestigious and oldest events in the Olympic Games. It was included in the Olympics in 78 BC. In ancient times, wrestling in India was mainly used to stay physically fit. It was also used as a military exercise without any weapons. Wrestling in India is also known as dangal and it is the basic form of wrestling tournament. In India, wrestling is mostly known as Mallayuddh. There are mentions of wrestling in the ancient times found in the Sanskrit epic of Indian history Mahabharata. One of the premium characters in Mahabharata, Bhim, was considered to be a great wrestler. The next question is, Ramayana is the national book of which country? The given options are A. Sri Lanka, B. India, C. Nepal or D. Thailand. It is also very important one. The correct answer is option D. Thailand. The Ramakien, as the Ramayana is known in Thailand, is the country's national epic. Though the story has been told for hundreds of years, the earliest versions have been lost. So the retelling by King Rama I is the only most one commonly studied. The next question is, in which country does the sun rise at night 12 o'clock? The given options are A. Denmark, B. Finland, C. Norway or D. Sweden. The correct answer is option C. Norway. Norway is a country of raw beauty and dramatic landscapes, so it's perhaps not a surprise to learn that one of the most remarkable natural phenomena occurs there. Dubbed as the land of the midnight sun, Norway is one of the very few locations where sunset merges into sunrise with no darkness in between. Thank you.